Welcome. In this video, we will study about print function. Print function is used to display output on the screen. Let's start with common mistakes while using print statement. This statement gives error because for using print statement, we need parentheses around the variable or values. Also observe that first letter of print function is small. So keep in mind to type print statement in small letters. Now let's print numeric value 17 using print statement, and print function will print it. But when we change 17 with hello, then we will get an error. And the error is name hello is not defined. Actually, whenever we want to print a string, or in other words text, then we need to add quotations around it. After adding the quotations around the hello, our print function will print hello without any error. Observe that hello does not have quotations around it, as quotations are just markers of beginning and end to the string. Print function can be used to print mixed data type. Just put comma between the values and print function will print it. Let's make a small program to understand print statement further. We will make a program of area of a square. We will type side equals to 5, area equals to side, asterisk side. In Python programming, asterisk or star sign is used for multiplication. We will type print area. I have put area in quotations. Can you guess what will be the output? Let's see. Output is area. It is because I have put area in quotations, and print statement will treat area as a string, not as a variable. Now, when I will remove quotations around it and execute the code, it will print 25. Because now it will try to find a variable named area, and if interpreter finds a variable named area, it will print its value. Otherwise it will give error. Now we will add a string area before variable area and separate them using comma and execute the code. And we get the output area 25. So print statement can be used to print values of mixed data type. Observe that there is space between area and 25. But we did not do anything. Then how this is created? And can we change that? Yes, we can change that by using separator. We add SEP equals to colon in quotations and rerun the code. Now observe that if we run the code, then there will be colon instead of space. Now let's add square after variable area and rerun the code. Now observe that every value have colon in between instead of space if we use separator. And if we remove it, then space will be printed, which is default value of the separator. Keep in mind that separator must be added at last in the print statement. Thanks for watching.